now we
Sir, first of all, thank you so much for being the part of our show. As we all know that your busy schedule and you have worked over 25 years in the pharmaceutical industry, as well you have been trained in a naturopathy doctoring. So over the past 25 years of your career, have you ever seen such a deadly virus in the whole world or in the country for the current situation?
no. It's a very no. It's a never such kind of last 25 years. There is no as such virus has come in the Indian country and across the globe. The COVID-19 is the very challenging virus has come, which is affect the lakhs of people, crores of people across the globe, and it is a become challenge for the every medical fraternity people as well as the pharmaceutical industry. And if you see, the epidemic rate is very high. Problem used to come but used to solve very rapid action. Now the COVID-19 is become very challenge for all of us, and we need to take the precaution and need to prevent the pandemic rate of the COVID-19.
So what are the precautions we should take to be safe from the virus?
The first, that we should live the hygienic life which has been guided by the ancient at the time of the Rishi Muni of the India. So first we should wash the hand at least 2 to 3 minutes between the palm over the palm and also between the finger. And second, that we should use the mask which is a prevent the epidemic rate of the COVID-19. And second, that we should wear the some head cover. Also we should use the gloves. We should maintain the distance as per the guideline of the Health of Ministry and WHO, that at least 6 meter distance to be maintained from each other. And while talking, we should always wear the mask. Second, that we should cover the head while we are going outside. We should wear the good gloves. And also at the time, if you see that whenever you are doing something and using some touching some metal, touching some door and touching with anyone, you should first use the wash. Use the hand sanitizer, which is the best of ethyl alcohol, 70% ethyl alcohol, which help kill the 99% of the germs. Also, we have to take care that certain alcohols which is not helpful for the skin, so that you should use the good class of hand sanitizer. Third important part, that in the morning, every morning and the night time, we should consume the more lukewarm water 3 to 4 times in a day. Then if you coming to the place that the Indian system of medicine now, the Giloy is there as per the Health Ministry of Ayush advocate, that Giloy is very useful to boost the humoral immunity. Also curcumin haldi, which is well known in the Indian community, and haldi is curcumin, help enhances the cellular immunity of the body. Apart from that, the sunthi ginger officinalis, which is very common used in the Indian recipe. Every kitchen, the sunthi is been used in the very common called the ginger officinal, which is also help boost the immunity part, and also it's a control the kapha, vata pitta kapha. Third,
Sir, as we have seen that because of this lockdown, our economy has gone very down. So does that mean till this virus ends in our country, so the elders of our family cannot go to work?
yeah, this is a very critical situation, that now we have to live with the COVID-19. So now we have find the way. We'll find the way. So because if the economic of the country and the family will goes down, it's very difficult to get survive. The family now, the people have started adopting the situation and they have started living according to the situation. As I spoke to you, that mask is mandatory. Then cover your head, if possible, PP kit to be used. Use quite frequently of the hand sanitizer. Also, see that with precaution we need to walk. We should not sit in the home, because this is the COVID-19 has become the part of the life. And now I'll tell you the example. My son's friends all are attending the class on the conference. So life is going on. Actually, we cannot stop, because the stop is not the solution of the problem. However, if you see, the whole country and whole world has started accepting So now the COVID-19 is moving, and their way when we have to work in our way with the full precaution. We have to maintain the 6 meter distance. That is mandatory. While talking, be careful. Don't do the shake hand. Just do the namaste. An important part that the once the economy of the country will come up as per the expected level, and the family situation, the financial status also has to improve. Business has to run, and every industry has to run, and then that is then only the people can survive, and the country will grow and can survive.
Sir, as we all know that the transportation services are running, airports are going well, domestic flights have been allowed to take places. So all these precautions are taken under just two things: oximeter and gun thermometer. So what is the use of it?
Your gun thermometer, that is called the infrared thermometers. Now the matter is that as it is a pandemic, we cannot touch the patient, we cannot touch the people who are infected, and we do not know who are infected, who are not infected. So the solution is that when we are using the infrared thermometer, this is the giving the accuracy that what is the body temperature says. How much body temperature is there? According to infrared thermometer, up to 37.33 is called the normal temperature of the body. If it is increasing above 39, it's confirmed that is cases of having the fever. So if there is a fever of 102 degrees constantly, that is a suspected cases of the COVID-19. That is the important part. So the gun thermometer is now, it's a very common and very helpful for the every people. Even I tell you, whomsoever the society, family, and the organization, every organization, they require the infrared thermometer to use. Now coming to the temperature of the body, you can measure with the support of infrared thermometer. Apart from that, the question is that who those people are having the problem, the COVID-19, their oxygen level goes down, and because of that, because wherever the cell, the blood cell is there, the COVID-19 first affect those places of the body where like the lungs. So lungs it's started destroying the cell of red blood cell, and after that they gradually the chest is become there is a lot of congestion in there. People they feel the difficult in breathing. So solution is that when you are advising the pulse oximeter, this is the just second test, you can come to know what is your pulse rate, what is your oxygen in the amount of oxygen in the presence in the body, and you can judge if there is a difference between the what against the temperature. If the temperature is high, the pulse oximeter, the pulse rate, oxygen in the body is less, then is chances to suspected cases of COVID-19 infected patient. So we can take care from them, and we can maintain the distance. Actually, we advise doctor, and we can take the support from the medical department to get that people to get proper treatment. Then the doctor can advise for the proper quarantine. So these two medical instrument is a very important for nowadays in the COVID-19 pandemic rates.
So sir, as we all know that you are a social worker, and between this pandemic there was so much things going on between the labors. So what did you did for them?
Yeah, it's a very important point you asked. That when the first, yeah, you asked a very good question that when the COVID-19 has come into the India and people have started getting affected, the first step was taken by our Honorable Prime Minister, Sri Narendra Modi, and he given instruction and requested to all across the country that people we should go for the lockdown. Lockdown, that would be the completely lockdown to prevent the pandemic rate of COVID-19. The first announcement was made on the 22nd February in the 2020, and that was the first was the 21 days, and our first 21 days that we just thinking that what would be the best solution, and that the people have started affecting all the Dehari class of people, labor class people who lost their job, nothing was there in their hand, and they came at the hand of mouth. There is no they did not have money to survive, and even they had a lot of food problem also. So what I did actually, the first lockdown was passed, actually they started trying and started coordinating with a good class of people, and we arranged so many things for the good people. Actually those are the needy, and they had the actually food and a staying problem. We, with the support of the some good class of people, we arranged some community kitchen and I started running the show. And every day, almost 30 days, we run the community kitchen, and with the support of that, we have started providing the 1,000 packets foods to the every the needy person in the Choli area, where the people do not have their own residence, they are on the rental basis. They did not have food, rice, grain, grocery to prepare the food. They did not have gas chula. So we have taken the initiative with the support of my all good colleagues. And every day, morning and evening, we started distributing the food. Actually, we used to go door to door when we found that this is family who really needed and in the bad situation we started providing the food for them. After that, what I did actually, when we being a medical, you know that I am the pharmaceutical man, so I purchased the infrared gun thermometer and I purchased also pulse oximeter, and I started doing the free medical checkup camp, and